Hey, what's up, guys? You know the score. I'm home, I'm bored, so I decided to make a cooking show. I make dishes based off of NBC shows, so NBC sends me free groceries. You got nothing to do, so why don't you watch and maybe you'll learn something. This is Cooking with Colton. Today we're going to be making a dish inspired by Parks and Recreation. Parks and Recreation is one of my favorite NBC shows of all time, and not just because I was on it as Brett, one of the guys from Animal Control. From 2009 to 2015, Parks and Rec was must-watch TV with an incredible cast. Nick Offerman, Aziz Ansari, Aubrey Plaza, Rashida Jones, Chris Pratt, Adam Scott, Retta, Rob Lowe, and of course, Amy Poehler as Leslie Knope. And picking a food inspired by Parks and Rec was not hard at all. It was no question. We are gonna make Leslie Knope waffles. If you watch the show, you know that Leslie Knope loves her some waffles. My girl's eating waffles all the time.
Are you sure that's the best thing for you right now?
Oh, it's the best thing on the menu.
Write an article about leprechauns.
Leprechaun with this?
You should write an article about the sun falling out of the sky.
Why would you write an article about that? That's...
Who doesn't like waffles? So we making waffles right now. All right, here's what you're gonna need. Flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, eggs, butter, and some vanilla extract. You're also gonna need a waffle iron, and if you're a kid, please find an adult to help you use one. And of course, with the waffles done, you got even more ingredients because you can choose whatever toppings you want. So we got strawberries, syrup, powdered sugar, bananas, and of course, whipped cream. So one thing you have to do before you start making everything is separate your eggs. You're gonna wanna separate the yolks from the egg whites. Okay, so once you got them split up, you got your egg yolks and your egg whites. So then you're gonna wanna go ahead and melt a cup of butter. While the butter is melting, let's mix some of the other ingredients. We're gonna take the flour, sugar, and baking powder and throw that all into a bowl. And this is the part where you take the egg whites and you're gonna wanna beat them until they get really thick and kind of almost creamy. I'll be honest, I tried to do this once without the electric. My arm got really sore and it didn't work out. See, those were bad waffles, so I had to reshoot the whole thing. So you're gonna take your dry ingredients and you're gonna mix in your wet ones. Just gonna fold the fluffy stuff right into your batter. You do that kind of like this. There we go. Now we got a green light on my waffle iron. That means it's ready. We can pop open this waffle iron. All right, so here we go. Once that spreads out, I'm gonna go ahead and just close that. It's been about 4 minutes and now it's time to see if it works. Let's take a look. Ooh, that's a good looking waffle. I think I nailed it. There's tons of different ways to eat a waffle. You can just eat it solo, with some butter and a little bit of syrup or something like that. But this is a Leslie Knope waffle, so we gotta go on the works. All right, so there you have it. I got my waffle right here. I'm about to take a bite. Get a nice bite, get some strawberry, get some hammock, get that. Oh man. That's a delicious waffle. If you made a waffle, please take a picture of it and share it with the hashtag Cooking with Colton. Thanks so much for doing this with me. Yeah. Damn, Leslie Knope, that's a good waffle.